Now, from Arizona's retirement headquarters, you're watching ASRS News. Everything you need to know about your retirement. And now, Arizona's #1 news team.
It's a good day to retire. I'm Steve.
And I'm Athena, and here's what's making news. Beth is here in the newsroom today to share with us a great recipe. Welcome to the show, Beth.
Thank you, Athena. It's great to be here today.
So Beth, what will you be baking up for us today?
Well, today I'll be using the delicious pension recipe to show our viewers how their pension is derived. Your monthly pension is based on a formula. The defined benefit formula is credited service times the graded multiplier times your average monthly compensation, which equals your unreduced monthly pension upon retirement. Let's do it. First, the credited service. Then, the graded multiplier. And finally, your average monthly compensation. And then, mix it all up. Of course, you can bake a bigger pension by adding more of the ingredients. As your compensation and your years of service increase, the higher the graded multiplier and the larger your unreduced pension will be. You'll need to bake this at 350 degrees for as long as you work. And like magic, your pension is done.
Thanks for the demonstration, Beth.